Y'all, pause the scroll. Don't post another video just yet. If you're uploading the same way most creators do, using the YouTube app and tapping that little plus sign, that might be the reason you're not getting views. And if views aren't coming in, subscribers won't either. Let's slow down and go through this together, because this one switch can change the game. Here's what's happening. You're uploading the right content, maybe even on the right schedule, but using the wrong method. That little upload button on the app, it's quick and easy, but it's holding you back. YouTube's algorithm relies on structure and details, and if your upload method doesn't give the algorithm what it needs, your content gets buried. Most creators don't even realize they're making this mistake, and that's the wild part. It feels like you're doing everything right, but the results just don't show up. That's not because the content isn't good, it's because it's invisible to the system. YouTube's algorithm is smart, but it's not psychic. It can't recommend what it doesn't understand, and that starts with how you upload. The most common mistake? Uploading straight from the app without naming your file properly. When your video file is called img_2456 or MOV_XHR8DD, it tells the algorithm nothing. Literally nothing. The platform has no idea what your video is about before it scans the title or description. You're starting off invisible. Here's the fix. Upload your videos through studio.youtube.com. Yes, even from your phone. You can still record and edit on your phone, but when it comes time to upload, don't use the YouTube app. Use the browser. Go to studio.youtube.com. Save the video to your device files first, then go into your Files app and rename the video file before uploading. Use clear, keyword-rich file names, the kind of phrases real people actually search for. Think about what your ideal viewer might be typing into the search bar. That's exactly what your file name should reflect. Instead of guessing, start thinking like your audience. Are they searching for how to grow on YouTube fast or easy YouTube SEO tips? That's the energy your file name needs. This small change speaks directly to YouTube's system before your title or thumbnail even gets a chance. It's a quiet strategy, but it works loud. And the best part? It takes less than a minute to do. Instead of something random like clipfinal.mp4, use a name like How to Grow YouTube Views Fast. That file name becomes an extra signal to YouTube about your content. And yes, it matters. When uploading through the Studio dashboard, you're given more tools. You can set your title, description, and thumbnail properly. You can add tags, select the correct video category, and create or add it to a playlist. These are all things the algorithm uses to recommend your content to viewers who are actually looking for what you're creating. Let's talk about why the upload method really matters. YouTube is owned by Google, and Google is all about searchability. Videos with optimized file names, accurate tags, and keyword-rich titles have a better chance of being indexed and discovered. If your file name is gibberish, if your category is wrong, or if your title and file don't match up, YouTube doesn't know who to show your video to. It's not about luck, it's about visibility. YouTube needs clarity to match your content with the right audience. When everything lines up, from file name to title to tags, your video becomes easier to recommend. It's like turning on a spotlight in a dark room. Suddenly, the algorithm knows exactly where to direct traffic. But if your upload is messy and disconnected, YouTube shrugs and moves on. And just like that, your great content ends up ignored. Ask this: have you been uploading your videos with searchable file names? Are your titles aligned with what your audience is typing into the search bar? Before you hit upload next time, start by saving your final video file to your phone or computer. Then, rename the file using relevant search-friendly keywords. Instead of jumping straight into the YouTube app, open your browser and head to studio.youtube.com. From there, upload the renamed file and take your time filling in every section YouTube offers: the title, description, tags, category, playlist, end screens, and cards. Each step gives your video a better shot at reaching the right audience. This is your chance to set your video up for success before anyone even hits play. Think of it like prepping your resume before applying for a job. Every detail matters. Skipping these steps is like showing up unprepared. Instead, walk the algorithm through your content with intention. Give it clues, guide it, help it understand where your video belongs. The more info you give it, the more confidently it shares your video with the right viewers. Speaking of playlists and end screens, here's another crucial step most creators miss. When setting up your end screen, don't just link to a single video. Use a playlist. Why? Because if someone has autoplay turned on, YouTube won't switch to someone else's content. It'll keep playing your videos. That means more watch time for you, more viewer retention, and a better relationship with the algorithm. Do the same thing with cards. Instead of a one-off video, drop an entire playlist card mid-video. Guide your viewers through a journey. The longer they stay, the more YouTube loves you. Think of a playlist card like a path. You're not just giving them one door to walk through. You're opening up an entire hallway. It shows YouTube that viewers are engaging longer and that your channel offers more than a single good video. It's like saying, hey, if you like this, there's more where that came from. Plus, it keeps your audience focused on your world, not wandering off to someone else's. And the algorithm notices that. Every extra second a viewer stays is like a vote in your favor. More watch time equals more reach. Still wondering why all this matters? Because posting good content isn't enough anymore. Posting content correctly is where the growth happens. If you're uploading in a rush and ignoring these tools, YouTube assumes you're not serious, and it treats your video like a one-off. Even your niche settings matter. If your content is educational, but you've set the category to entertainment, YouTube won't serve it to the right people. If you're creating tutorials, set the category to education or how-to. If you vlog, lifestyle, or people in blogs might be a better fit. And then there's what you actually say in the first few seconds of your video. Make sure to speak those same keywords you used in the file name and title. The algorithm listens. Those first 5 to 30 seconds are critical. When you open with "you're uploading your videos wrong" or "not getting views," you're speaking the language your audience and YouTube is listening for. This isn't just about text, it's about audio too. YouTube's system picks up on the words spoken in your video and uses that data to decide where it fits. So when you lead with phrases your viewers are searching for, you boost your chances of being found. It tells the algorithm, hey, this video is exactly what someone just typed into the search bar. It's not about being robotic, it's about being intentional. Keep it natural, but make it specific. Let your voice echo the strategy baked into your upload. This small adjustment, changing your upload method, naming files right, and using the Studio dashboard, is simple, but it's powerful. There are so many creators doing everything right except this one thing: posting good content, staying consistent, being creative. But because they're uploading through the app without optimizing anything, the algorithm doesn't pick up on what they're offering. The result? 20 views, 40 views, maybe 80 if the stars align. Switching to Studio uploads, naming files with real keywords, and using playlists and cards correctly can unlock that growth. And if this sounds like too much work, it's not. It's 1 extra minute. 1 minute to rename your file, 1 minute to upload through the Studio and fill out every detail with intention. 1 minute that could change how your entire channel performs. This isn't about overthinking. It's about setting things up right from the beginning. Speak to the algorithm the way it wants to be spoken to. No more random file names, no more uploading in a rush, no more skipping tags or skipping playlists. Just a clear system. Create, rename, upload through Studio. Optimize every time. How many creators out there are treating the upload process like a checklist instead of a strategy? How many are wondering why their views are stuck while never realizing the upload method is the root? This isn't about gaming the system, it's about understanding how the system works, and finally using it to your advantage. If the goal is real growth, a real audience, real connection, then every upload needs to count. So how are you going to upload your next video? If this helped shine a light on what might have been missing, and if it feels like the dots are connecting now, that's the sign to shift the method. It's time to stop uploading the same old way and start building smarter. Smash that like button if this was valuable, and go ahead and subscribe if you're ready to build a channel that grows for real. No fluff, just facts and results. Because around here, it's all about working smarter and finally being seen.